नमस्ते बच्चों, मेरा नाम जीबी है और मैं आपकी हिंदी विषय की अध्यापिका हूँ। हेलो किड्स, माय नेम इज जीबी and I'll be taking Hindi subject for you. So I hope you all had a great vacation and had some quality time with your parents. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to grade 1. Now this year you will be having Hindi. So you all know that we live in India and Hindi is the primary official language of our country. So to learn Hindi, first of all, we should know the Hindi letters. So kids, in English we have alphabets, same way in Hindi we have Hindi letters. Now these letters are known as Varna Mala. So what they are known? They are known as Varna Mala. Now here you can see Hindi letters, they are known as Varna Mala. Now in English we have vowels and consonants. Same way for Hindi also we have vowels and consonants. So you can see here Hindi letters, they are known as Varna Mala, and this Varna Mala has vowels and consonants. But we don't say vowels and consonants in Hindi. We say Swar and Vyanjan. What we say? We say Swar and Vyanjan. So in Hindi language, for vowels we say Swar, and for consonants we say Vyanjan. Once again I'll tell you, the Hindi letters, they are known as Varna Mala, and these Varna Mala has two categories and they are Swarakshar and Vyanjan Akshar. So in English we have alphabets with vowels and consonants. So this was about Hindi letters. So today in this class we will be studying two Swarakshar. As you can see here, the first Hindi letter, that is the first Swarakshar, is A. Before that, you need to take your Hindi notebook and a pencil. So kids, which is the first Swarakshar in Hindi letter? Yes, it is letter A. Now this A has a short sound, A. I'll show you how to write this letter A. But before that, you need to take your Hindi notebook and a pencil. First, we'll write 3. So I hope you all have written it. Then, from this middle point, you have to write a sleeping line, then a standing line, and on the top, you have to write a short sleeping line. But one thing you should note, that this sleeping line should not touch the upper part of letter A. So this is the first Swarakshar and we say A. A has a short sound. So once again we will write letter A. First you have to write 3. Then from this middle point you have to write a sleeping line, then standing line, and on the top a short sleeping line. So this is the first Swarakshar and we say A, which has a short sound. I hope you all have written this letter A in your notebook. Now here you can see the first Swarakshar and the letter is A and a word starting with A. So kids, can you identify this picture? This picture is of a pomegranate. In Hindi, we say anar. A say anar. What we say? A say anar. Now here, you can see this is the picture from your textbook and on the top you can see letter A. This letter has a short sound and you can see at the bottom there are 4 words starting with letter A, and the words are anar, that means pomegranate, ajgar, python, almari, that is almira, Amrud, guava. So all these words, it start with letter A. Now what you have to do is, you have to write letter A 5 times in your notebook. You no need to write all these words, you have to practice it orally. Now let's discuss the second Swarakshar, and the second Swarakshar is A. So it has a longer sound. Now I'll show you how to write it. First you have to write 3, then a short sleeping line, standing line, again one standing line, and on the top short sleeping line. Here also you should note that this sleeping line does not touch the top part of letter A. So this is the second Swarakshar, and we say A, which has a longer sound. Once again I'll show you. First you have to write 3. From this middle point, a short sleeping line, then standing line, again standing line, and on the top sleeping line. So this is the second Swarakshar, and we say A. It has a longer sound. Now here you can see a word starting with Swarakshar A. Can you identify this picture? This picture is of a mango. In Hindi we say aam. What we say? Aam. A say aam. Now here, this is the second picture from your textbook, and you can see letter A, and at the bottom you can see 4 words starting with A, and the words are aam, that means mango, aloo means potato, aag, fire, ara, saw. So these are 4 words starting with A letter. Now here you can see an exercise. So you have to join these dots and write Swarakshar A. This Swarakshar has a longer sound. Now there's an activity for you. You have to write the 2 letters in your Hindi notebook at least 5 times, and then you have to submit in teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.